Okay, so now we have also one more thing in the Niagara Falls park is the trolley, the scenic trolley. So we just purchased the ticket. So you guys, if you're coming here, do visit that trolley. It's pretty cheap, $3 each. But yeah, it's pretty good. The scenic beauty. They'll go over the park and show you all the historical stuffs. This is the wristband, and it says park recreational and historic preservation. So this costs like $3 each. So we are two people, like $6. And the trolley will come somewhere over there. So that's the queue over here. We are waiting in the queue, but the trolley will come in some time. Okay, so finally our train arrived. So we will take this train and go around the park, the Niagara Falls Park, and see all the different historical stuffs. Let's see how it goes. The queue is big. Hopefully we'll get by this time. So now the next one came in. Hopefully we'll get this time. So you guys are enjoying. Hopefully we are at the train. It will go around the city. So this is our hotel. 15 free table bed. So it will go inside the park now. The view, oh my god, definitely I'll highly recommend to take this train. It's a $3 each and get this beautiful view of the falls. You'll go to the entire park. So beautiful, this Niagara Falls Park. So we just had one stop. Now we're going to the next stop.
On your left will be the Tower of the Falls restaurant, the shopping public restroom. On your right will be a pathway that will lead you down to Terrapin Point so you can get an excellent close-up view
This is the
of the
cafe. You
Horseshoe
can have your
Falls.
food, dinner, or lunch, everything. That's the cafe.
Horseshoe Falls, Terrapin Point, the stop for the trolley. Horseshoe Falls, Terrapin Point. Horseshoe Falls, Terrapin Point.
Okay, so this is the restaurant, Niagara Falls restaurant. Oh wow. This place is really nice.
Next up for this trolley, we forward Three Sisters Island. I recommend checking out Three Sisters to meet the park all day.
I wasn't asking. I'm going to.
Minute walk. Three pedestrian bridges that lead you towards the park boat entry. Convenient rapids. About 500 yards.
see the Niagara Falls. This is the falls water. Parking. Vintage, we have seen this hotel, right? Vintage by Wyndham. This is also a nice hotel, Wyndham. फाइनली हम लोग अभी आ गए हैं खाने के लिए। बहुत घूमने के बाद नायग्रा फॉल्स में एक बहुत सही एक रेस्टोरेंट है। We have like chicken, we have this chicken tikka, some veg curries, biryani, some pakoris. So this is a very nice place. You guys can look at this place, is really good. So खाने का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही बेकार था. It was not good. Never ever try the buffet in Niagara Falls. Always go for an a la carte, right? Never go to any Indian restaurants which offer buffet. So never do that, okay? It's buffet, okay? Always go for a la carte, okay? So that's the feedback I want to give. And let's see how it goes the rest of the day. Exploring some new options. So this is called Cantina Falls, and this is also one of the probably good. We're not sure. Let's see if it has some good food. Same burger and rolls. We'll see these ones. Well, yeah. Vegan options are here, okay? Here you can get some vegetarian. So Avenue 29, okay? Make sure you come here. Try very good free samples.
How you doing? Thank you. Yeah.
Non-alcoholic beer. Just check out these prices I'm just showing, okay? Cold drinks, beer, $7. This is Joe's fried dough. Fried dough is $9. No, I think this one is the best one. what is the Chinese one? Papa John's pizza. I have already tried this in New York near the Walmart. This pizza is good. T-shirts and hoodies. Let's see if we can get something. Papa John's is really good actually. We have tried that, you remember? Okay, nobody can beat me in chess. So I want to play the chess with the kids. So this is really good. Okay. See the beauty. This is called what? Cataract. 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 Where are you going? See, this is a nice one. This is a rainforest and the theme is like it's a theme. खुल दी जन की तरह तो अभी शाम का टाइम हो गया टाइम इज़ लाइक 5 बज गए तो चाय पीने का टाइम है अभी तो मिल गया हम लोगों को अभी इंडियन ये मिल गया अब थोड़ा साइड करने का मेरे को तो ये मिल गया है मेरे को चाय इंडियन देखिए इंडियन टी मिल रहा है $2 का है पानी वगैरह समोसा भी है समोसा और चाय तो मज़ा आ जाएगा $3 का समोसा और $2 का चाय और मैं एक लूँगा स्ट्रीम टैको ऐसे ही खाने के लिए एस्टेब्लिश्ड इन 2006 स्ट्रीट कैफ़े यहीं पर खा लेंगे कुछ देखते हैं भीड़ तो है बहुत भीड़ है So finally सब लोग वेट कर रहे हैं खाने के लिए Everyone is doing good.
Yeah, he jumps on you and it's like, Ozark, Ozark, who's a good boy, Ozark? Come here. I miss my dog. So every time I see a dog, I'm like, oh, I got a car tester. Yeah. I guess no love.